The annual investment in India is between $300 million and $500 million. The Coca-Cola Company on Thursday said the company reported a 30% jump in India December quarter sales volume. The maker of Sprite and Limca said its brands gained market share month on month. In an interview, Sankit Ray, the company's president of India and Southwest Asia, spoke about its plans to work with bottling partners and add capacity through greenfield plan. The beverage company and its bottlers would invest between $300 million and $500 million annually in building capacity over time, Ray said. Edited excerpt. Did the India business in 2021 touch pre-COVID level? We are growing over 2019 in overall numbers. Some categories are growing in double digits. In 2020, the company announced restructuring, with its 17 business units to be replaced by 9 larger operating units. The company also announced job cuts globally. Is that exercise over? It's all done. Our emerging stronger exercise is a closed book and has delivered the results we wanted. We took the toughest call during the peak of COVID. We thought we were already at the lowest point and you cannot go further down. So do all this restructuring and all the strategy change during that time, and when the markets open up you are just booming to take off. With the markets opening up, are you doubling down on investment? With the kind of growth we are planning, the investment plans are very strong. I can tell you we are scaling up investments in the supply chain significantly. If we want to grow those kinds of numbers, there's no other way because I don't have capacities available today. If you look at the numbers shared by the other listed companies in the beverages space, to maintain our share, we will have to double down on those kinds of investment. Every state is going through massive investment. We have multiple new locations coming up. There will be greenfield plants plus expanding existing capacity, but mostly it will be greenfield project. Will this be coming on behalf of the bottling partner? Yes, it's the bottling partners. The bottling partners will not invest unless they make money and they see growth. So they're very positive about growth and investment. Any investments figures or number of plan, we would definitely be looking at somewhere between $300 million and $500 million at least every year. If I want to grow, we'll have to get through that number. There is no capacity available. We are operating at a very high level of asset utilization. We see a very positive, strong commitment to growth because we believe India is a growth market globally. To maintain that growth, we have to invest a significant amount in our capacities and coolers. Has inflation led to any price hikes for Coca-Cola India? To offset inflation, we take pricing in 3 ways. One is a direct price increase. The second one is playing between the pack. For example, if I'm selling more small packs at a lower price, I suddenly start selling more higher price packs by doing more campaigns and driving more distribution around them. The third is where you reduce the size of the pack while maintaining the price. We focused on number 2, playing around with the pack. For example, with markets opening and transportation picking up, I will focus on the 500 to 600 ml pack and make it a bigger mix in my overall portfolio. We are not taking any vertical price increases. Last year, we didn't take any vertical price hike. We maintained our magic price points of 10, 20, and 50. What key trends will drive future product innovations in India? There are a lot of categories in India that have grown very well over the last couple of years, and we do not have any play in those categories. There are regional flavors, mass energy drinks, and glucose drinks. Our goal for 2022 and 2023 is to broadly fill up those gaps and take a position in those categories. To start with, one of the big trends is regional flavors. So, we are launching AAM Panner in February through the Marza brand. We are also taking Rimzim National as our Jira drink brand. Will there be more divestments of the bottling plants in India? At least in 2022, we do not see any refranchising or any kind of activity on a franchise model. We are not doing it.